Let's go take a ride in the car. I will take the passenger seat. Baby, we don't have to go far unless you want to show me a lovely place uptown where you feel most at ease. Well, you are the one that I like. Always will be. I think it's time to let you know the way I feel when you take hold. One single touch from you, I'm gone. Still get the rush when I'm alone. I think it is time I let you know. Take all of me, I will devote. You set me free, my body's sure. It feels the best when you're involved. I want you to take over control. Take over control of me. Oh, I want you to take over control of me. Plug it in and turn me on. Baby, baby, can't you see that I'm giving all of me? So it's up to you now. We could let time pass away or make an excuse to play, but it's up to you now. Just wanna fulfill your needs while you're taking over me. So what do you want now? Take a picture, make a show, 'cause nobody has to know all the ways that we get down. I think it is time I let you know. Take all of me, I will devote. You set me free, my bride.